Learn this simple flourish in less than 20 seconds. The phone goes inside the bottle, and the magician plucks a card out of thin air. The magician's wallet bursts into flames. The card slowly and visually changes. The magician places a coin on some rubber and then visually pushes it into the glass. This is my favourite close-up trick ever. Stay till the end and I'll show you how it's done. What's up everybody, Oscar Owen here, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you 5 simple magic tricks that anybody can do. These tricks are visual, easy, and always get crazy reactions, so if you're ready, let's go to the card table and start learning. The magician performs a very visual and eye-catching flourish. The cards cascade from one hand into the other.
So in order to do this trick, you need to buy something called an electric deck. These are really cheap to buy, and essentially it's a deck of cards where each and every card is tied to each other with string. So you can buy these for a few pounds, a few bucks off the internet. And what it allows you to do is simply drop the cards, and without trying at all, you can look like pretty much a professional magician doing a waterfall flourish. So the cards are like this, they're all tied together, and they literally don't come apart. What you first do is you display the cards. They do come across as loose and you can't see the string attaching them together. And then simply you hold them in your hand like this. I actually prefer to do it this way around so you can get the backs showing. And you put this other hand down as a big cradle to catch the cards, and you simply slowly release pressure. And as you can see, the cards fall into your hand. So you just do this all in one movement, and you can really create the illusion that you're a professional magician with these cards.
The card slowly and visually changes.
In order to do this trick, you need 2 cards. Put a piece of double-sided tape or sellotape wrapped over twice on the top of one card, and then place the other card on top and align up the edges perfectly. This creates a flap system. Now all you need to do is have a glass. So show the card as single and then come over, and all you're doing is grabbing onto the card with your middle finger and pushing it down. And as you can see, this reveals the card behind, but from the front point of view, it looks as if the card has magically changed.
If you are interested in learning incredible card tricks including flourishes, cuts, shuffles and more, and tricks that are just too good to reveal on YouTube, then check out my magic card course in the first link in the description below. The course contains some of the best tricks ever created and will give you the ability to walk into a room and impress anybody that you like. So go and check out Card Magic Pro in the first link in the description. A card appears from nowhere. Take a card and place it into your open hand. Keep your fingers closed and use them to bevel the card towards you. When you release pressure with your palm, the card will pop upwards. Catch the card between your fingers and thumb as it appears. This will create the deceptive illusion that the card appeared from thin air. Now turn your hand palm down. As you turn it palm up, produce the card. This is very visual. The magician has a phone and a bottle. He pushes the phone right inside the bottle. The phone is stuck inside. The secret behind this effect is very simple. Simply cut a giant slit in the side of the bottle with a knife. Make sure your spectator is in front of you, and then turn the slit so it's facing your phone. This way they won't see it. Now push the phone through the slit. Show that it's really in there. Then say that you want to get the phone out and take a knife and pretend to cut into the bottle, but really all you're doing is just putting the knife through the existing slit. This way you can open up the bottle and remove their phone and end completely clean. They won't ask to inspect the bottle before the trick because they don't know what's about to happen. The magician's wallet bursts into flames. Here is the same effect but in a full trick. The magician shows all the cards are different. He then tells the spectator to say stop and take his card. In this case, it's the 8 of spades. The magician rubs the 8 into the table, and it vanishes. It's not on the top of the deck, nor is it on the bottom. The magician then points to his wallet, saying that the card has jumped there. He opens his wallet and it bursts into flames. The flames suddenly disappear, and inside the wallet, it's the spectator's 8 of spades.
This is one of my absolute favourite tricks to do. What you're going to need is a fire wallet. You can buy these on the internet, and essentially they allow you to pull this trigger here and fire appears in the wallet. And what you also need is a normal deck of cards with a duplicate. So put the duplicate into the fire wallet like this, and then put some lighter fluid into the pouch in the fire wallet here. So you pour that in there. I've already done it, so I'm not doing it now. And then you're ready to begin. So put the wallet in your pocket. So the first thing you need to do is force the spectator to pick the 8 of spades. There are loads of ways to do this, loads of tutorials on the internet already, so I won't delve into them now, but make sure your spectator chooses the 8 of spades. Once they've done that, you need to make the card vanish. Again, you can do this any way you want, but the way I did it was using a retention vanish or a rubber dub vanish. So you slide your hand over the card, and as you do that, you pull the card flush with the rest of the deck, and you vanish it like that. So at full speed, it looks very visual. I've got a full tutorial on this on my channel as well, and I'll leave a link down in the description to where you can watch it. Once you've made the card vanish, what you then do is you point to your pocket and say the card jumped to the wallet. You pull out your wallet, and instead of opening it to the main pouch, you open it to the fire pouch, which closes shut like this. You then just simply flick the switch, the fire appears, and then you close the flap and reveal the card.
The magician places a coin onto some rubber and a glass. He shows it to the spectator. He then tells the spectator to take their finger and push the coin through the rubber. The spectator pushes down on the coin and it goes straight through the rubber. This is easily one of the best, most visual tricks ever created. Everything can be inspected and there's absolutely nothing to hide. What's even better is that you can learn this in 5 seconds. You will need this special magic rubber. It costs around £2. I'll leave a link down below where you can buy it. When you stretch the green rubber, it becomes see-through. So grab the rubber with your fingers and pull it sideways. Then place the coin into the rubber and it looks like it's on top when it's really underneath. Now place this onto the glass with the rubber band. All you need to do now is tell the spectator to look at the coin and then push it down onto it. And it will go straight through the rubber into the glass. Everything can be examined. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to check out Card Magic Pro in the first link in the description if you're looking to learn tricks that I'll never teach on this channel just because they're too good. I'll see you in the next video.